the 99th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, and I'm racing this bad beast behind me. It's 2017 5-liter twin-turbo Mustang GT. This is my 11th year on the mountain. I've raced in the heat, the rain, snow, ice. Yeah, it's a challenging race. Big thing is your competitors are actually your friends. The mountain is a competitor, the weather is a competitor, altitude. There's a lot of factors that come in play. We thought we had the car wrapped up, did some testing down at the local racetrack, down at 6,000 feet, came up here Monday or Tuesday for qualifying. All the gremlins popped up, so you don't know what you're going to get until you actually get here. Weather this week was interesting, cold for tech. And then we come up here, we're thinking it was going to be cold up here. It was actually warm until Thursday practice, where we practiced in sleet and snow and a little bit of ice up top. And then today, Mother Nature threw the curveball. We're only going to get to run part of the course because the top half is iced over. Life starts and ends around Pikes Peak for us. For a whole year, we plan to get here, so the running to the top is really special for the racers. And everyone's going to tell you that, you know, halfway wherever, and they're going to go as fast as it, but it's missing something that we don't get to run. Stay focused in the mood, figure out what tires we're going to run, because we hear rain's coming in around 11 o'clock. And other than that, just stay calm and do the best we can to get to the top, or our new finish line is 16 miles. Well, that's a wrap. The 99th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb just finished off with the weather coming in, and now it's starting to sprinkle. We were off the mountain at the right time. We did get to the finish. The new finish line was above Devil's Playground, or at 16 Mile. Mixed feelings on our finish today. We made it to the top, but obviously not what we wanted to get to the actual top. We'll come back next year. I'd like to thank my crew, everyone that's helped support this week. Lauren from Your Performance, who's had to put the car back together a couple of times for some of the things we did. Falcon for the tires that we were able to run in the rain and get the grip we needed. Down at H&R Springs, Hughes that's built the motor. Baja Billy's providing financial support to help us get to this here. Robert Prigla of RPM Motorsports, who's a great driving coach, gave me some pointers before we went up.